Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel Useful News. Today we'll discuss about enable auto mute when joining Zoom meetings. Part 2. Number 3. Click audio in the left hand panel. In the left hand panel. Number 4. Scroll down and click the box. Scroll down and click the box to mute my microphone when joining a meeting. To mute my microphone when joining a meeting. Number 5. To make sure you are muted when you join a meeting on your phone. You join a meeting on your phone. Number 1. Open the Zoom app. Number 2. Tap settings at the bottom of the screen. Tap settings at the bottom of the screen. Number 3. Tap meeting. And number 4. Toggle on mute my microphone. Toggle on mute my microphone. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe my channel.